If you want to make it easier for your visitors to reach you with just one tap, adding a clickable phone number to your WordPress site is a simple but powerful way to do it. Whether you run a business site, a blog, or anything in between, this feature lets your viewers start a call straight from their phone or even from their computer if it's set up to make calls. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a clickable phone number using the WordPress editor, all without touching any code. Let's dive right in. You can do this on any page or post, and even in most WordPress text widgets, using just the built-in editor. First, decide where you want that clickable number to appear. Maybe you want a big Call Us button right at the top, or maybe you'd prefer to tuck your phone number into the footer or contact page. The beauty of this method is it works wherever you can type text in WordPress. Now simply type out your phone number, or if you want to be a bit more inviting, you might write "Call us" or "Speak to an expert." You can add this within a standard paragraph, a heading block, or even a button block if you want it to stand out. Let's say you type "Call us at 123 456 7890. That's great, but right now it's just text, so someone on a mobile device can't just tap it to call. Here's where the magic happens. Highlight the phone number or your call to action text with your mouse. Then in the block editor's toolbar, that small menu that pops up right above your selection, you'll spot a little chain link icon. Click that. This is how you turn your plain text into a clickable link. In the URL box that appears, you'll type in your phone number using a special format called a tel link. It's super simple, just type tel. Followed directly by your phone number, no spaces, no dashes. So for example, tel plus 17,178,675,309. That plus and the country code are important, especially if you expect calls from users outside your own country. It makes sure that no matter where someone is calling from, their device knows exactly how to handle the number. Take a moment here to double-check what you typed. It's easy to accidentally add an extra space or character, but little hiccups like that can keep the link from working. Don't worry if your number looks a bit squished together, that's intentional. It's what makes it work. Once your number is in place, hit enter or click the apply button, usually a little arrow, to finish making your link. The text will change color or get an underline so you'll know it's now clickable, just like any other link on your site. The last step, save your changes. If you're editing a page or post, click the update or publish button to make your clickable phone number available for everyone. On most sites, you can preview your changes to make sure the link works. On a phone or tablet, tapping the link should prompt you to call, and on a computer, it may open an app like Skype or FaceTime. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've made it so much simpler for your visitors to get in touch, reducing friction and encouraging more real phone calls. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how you're using your clickable number, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear, actionable WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.